Today in the state of Maryland, it's 85 degrees Fahrenheit, sunny. Feels like 84 degrees, wind 5 miles per hour, visibility 9.9 mile, barometer 30.7 inch, humidity 40%, and finally, dew point nearly 60 degrees. Notice it's going to be 86 degrees, mostly sunny. So we're going to stick with 85 degrees Fahrenheit sunny, and still mostly sunny on 86 degrees. So ladies and gentlemen, you're new at this by seeing this Doppler Radar, which is where you live in the state of Maryland. We really want you to be fully understand that we are going to start off first on the weather map and then move on to the next weather map. Listen carefully so that way you will be fully understand. We are going to start off with radar. That's going to be step 1. Then wind, it's going to be step 2. Clouds, it's going to be step 3. Humidity are going to be step 4. Visibility, this is going to be step 5. Pressure, that are going to be step 6. Dew point, that's step 7. Air quality, it's going to be step 8. Wildfire are going to be step 9. Winter weather are going to be step 10. Severe weather, that are going to be step 11. Pollen, that's step 2. And finally, temperature, that is last step of 13. Alright, so here we are. You notice on the radar, there is no rain or snow. It's quiet in the state of Maryland, and it's really empty. And the rest of the United States are going to be empty as well. So step 2, we're going to be moving on to wind. You notice right here in Baltimore, it's going to be 6 miles per hour. Besides Baltimore, in Cumberland, it's going to be 9 miles per hour. Hagerstown is going to be 6 miles per hour, just like in Baltimore. Westminster is going to be 8 miles per hour. Frederick is going to be 4 miles per hour. Washington is going to be 5 miles per hour. Annapolis, 8 miles per hour. Cambridge, 7 miles per hour. And finally, Salisbury, 8 miles per hour. And then step 3 are going to be clouds. You notice clouds are going to be in Cumberland, in Garrett County, and even in Allegheny County. So the other United States besides where you live in Maryland, which is in Cumberland, Garrett County, it's going to be Pennsylvania clouds, and even in West Virginia and a little bit in Virginia. And then humidity with step number 4, So I'll say it again. So humidity is going to be step 4, like I've been telling you. So right here in Baltimore, it's more than 50%. Westminster is going to be 46%. Hagerstown, 38%. Same thing in Cumberland. Frederick is going to be 43%. That's more than 40%. Salisbury, 49%. Cambridge, 60%. Washington, 52%, and Annapolis, 54%. So with the visibility on step number 5. So visibility in Baltimore, it's 30.9 mile. Annapolis, 28.8 mile. Westminster, 32.1 mile. Hagerstown, 33.1 mile. Cumberland, 32.7 mile. Washington is going to be 31.2 mile. Cambridge, 29.3 mile. Salisbury, 33.3 mile. And then Annapolis, 28.8 mile. So step number 6, it's going to be pressure. Baltimore, we always going to start off with Baltimore because it's going to be the most primary state of Maryland of all. So in Baltimore, 29.71 inch. Westminster, 29.35 inch. Frederick, it's going to be 29.41 inch. Hagerstown, 29.26 inch. Cumberland's going to be 28.64 inch. Annapolis with nearly 30 inches. But right now, it's 29.91 inches. Cambridge, if you live in Cambridge, we have 30 inches. Salisbury, 29.94 inches. So that's step number 6 of pressure. And next up with step 7, it's going to be dew point. Baltimore, it's going to be more than 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The rest of the Maryland cities where you live, it's going to be mostly on the 50s, which is in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Westminster, Frederick, and Salisbury. But on 60s, we have is Annapolis, Cambridge, and Washington. So I want you to be fully understand about the numbers on the right hand on your screen. So -5 is definitely going to be on the purple, and same thing on the 15. The blue, the light blue, is going to be 30. The green is going to be 50. Almost towards yellow, it's definitely going to be on the 70s. So it'll be mixed colors, which is the 70s, which is green and yellow. Yellow and orange is going to be 85. And then on the hottest is going to be 100 on the red. Next is going to be air quality on step number 8. So on the 40s, which is in Baltimore and Cambridge. 42 in Westminster, 34 in Hagerstown, 51 in Cumberland, 39 in Washington, Salisbury 39. Yeah, and that's it. Including, we have another 40 in Annapolis. So we have 3 Maryland cities where you live, which is in Baltimore, Annapolis, and Cambridge, that we have 40. So AQI, that stands for Air Quality Index. As you notice, 40, that is good. However, it's going to be hot. So with on the white, it's going to be air quality index, and almost towards the green, it's going to be 0. The mixed yellow and green is going to be 50. 100 around the color of orange and yellow. The red is going to be 150. The purple, almost towards purple, definitely going to be on the 200. 300 exiting on the purple, almost towards brown, and the brown one, the fully brown, is definitely going to be 500. The highest of the numbers of 500. Wildfire. It's going to be step number 9. I cannot really pronounce this, but however, Baltimore is going to be 8. Westminster is going to be 9. Frederick's going to be 9 also. Same thing in Hagerstown. 6 is going to be Cumberland. Annapolis 6. Cambridge 5. Next is going to be winter weather. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right here in the state of Maryland where you live, if you pay attention on the YouTube recording weather, there is no winter weather because the winter is not approaching yet. It's still summer, however, and almost towards fall. Severe weather. Notice in New York, we have mild, and then on the yellow, it's going to be moderate. There's no severe weather in Maryland. With the pollen. So in pollen where you live, it's going to be on the moderate weather. The color are going to be in Maryland, it's going to be yellow. It's going to be a fully yellow. So everywhere in Maryland is going to be 43. And then finally on the temperatures. So temperatures are going to be on the 80s. So as you can see here, 85 are going to be on the orange and on the yellow, almost towards the red, but not quite, because we're on the 80s right here in Maryland. So yeah, temperatures are going to be very, very hot. So therefore we're on last step of 13. Hope that you be fully understand that we're going to be going on to the next Doppler radar. So moving on. So ladies and gentlemen, we are in the mostly on the 80s, but we have two cities where you live on the 70s, which is in Ocean City and Oakland. On the 80s, we have is in Cumberland, Hagerstown, Frederick, Westminster, Washington, D.C., Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, Salisbury. That's it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 that we have on the 80s, and on the two locations where you live, we have on the 70s. However, so partly sunny are going to be in Oakland, Cumberland, Frederick, Westminster, and that's it. And the rest of the sunnies on your location in the state of Maryland are going to be in Washington, Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, Salisbury, and Ocean City. And the only mostly sunnies we're going to get is in Hagerstown. So I'll say it again. Partly sunny are going to be in Oakland, Cumberland, Frederick, and Westminster. And the only mostly sunnies we're going to get is in Hagerstown. And the rest are going to be in sunny, which is in Washington, D.C., Annapolis, Baltimore, Bel Air, Elkton, Rock Hall, Easton, Cambridge, Salisbury, and Ocean City. So with the average high are going to be 80 degrees. Average low, 60 degrees. Record high are going to be nearly 100 degrees once again with the year of 2010. We haven't even seen the numbers are going to be changing. Record low are going to be 40 degrees, 1992. Average rainfall are going to be 4.61 inch. We do have rainfalls around September and the rest of these months, the 12 months. The day details. There will be mostly sunny skies. The high will be 86 degrees. Night, the skies will be clear. The low will be 66. Sunrise, 6:50 a.m. Sunset, 7:10 p.m. Moonrise, 12:19 a.m. Moonset, 3:19 p.m. Precipitation, just 1%. UV index, 6 high. Humidity, 39%. Max wind, 7 miles per hour. With the temperatures, record high are going to be nearly 90 degrees, 2005. Record low, 45 degrees, 2013. Average high, nearly 80 degrees. Average low, less than 60 degrees. Record rain, it's 2.72 inch with the year of 2018. Average rain, 0.24 inch. So today are going to be sunny around 84 degrees Fahrenheit in Maryland. And then tomorrow are going to be with the nearly 90 degrees, partly sunny. The hottest of 88 degrees. Now here's the rest of the forecast as always, ladies and gentlemen, so listen carefully. Tuesday, 86 degrees, sunny. Wednesday are going to be 85 degrees, partly sunny. Thursday, rain showers around 77 degrees. Friday, 70 degrees, partly sunny. Saturday, 73 degrees, mostly sunny. Sunday, 81 degrees, partly sunny. Monday, 79 degrees, partly sunny. And then finally, Tuesday are going to be 80 degrees, sunny. So we're going to break it down for you, ladies and gentlemen. So tomorrow, Wednesday, Friday, and then Sunday are going to be partly sunny. And then Tuesday and then another Tuesday are definitely going to be on the sunny. The only mostly sunny we're going to get is on Saturday. And finally, the only rain showers we're going to get is on Thursday.